Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. Let's write here on the screen where we are and what we want to do here. So fairbinaryoptions.com, and I would like to take a look at the euro and the US dollar in light of what happened the other day at the ECB with the President Draghi being extremely bearish, and how to interpret the current moves the market may make. I would say that the move again that started to the downside was initiated from this moment of time with this contracting triangle here, and then we have a problem. I mean, bears have a problem because this move here again, it is simply channeling too well. That means this is not a an impulsive wave, and this is being called a corrective wave. Now the correction is about to end, as you can see, but is being, let's say, coming after an impulsive move. So I do say that this is an impulsive move here all the way to the downside into this moment of time. So this to be the first wave. Now that is clear. From that moment on, scenarios are all over the place, in the sense that we might even have a complex corrective wave for the second wave, and I don't think that the second wave is completed yet. Looking for it to be done probably around here. So that would be the part with the call options involved in this analysis. Normally this is being this is being called a complex corrective wave in the form of a double three running. So we should go like this with the first wave. Then you have a first correction. Usually it comes in the forms of a flat. Here it is coming in the form of a zigzag. Then only corrective waves as an X wave to the downside, that usually has the shape of a zigzag or a triple zigzag. In our case here I would say is a double or a triple zigzag. Then so the first correction, X wave, then the second correction. Now if this second correction ends with a contracting triangle, then the euro US dollar is doomed because it should explode higher. If this second correction ends with a flat, so this to be the first flat ABC, X wave, and then if we have another ABC, it would just be called a double flat. Based on how things are looking here, I would say that most likely this is going to end with a contracting triangle. So from this moment of time we should look for A, B, C, D, E, and then the market to continue lower. Now where are we now? What kind of a contracting triangle? We are here at this very moment of time. Here is where the X wave ends, and now I would label this one as the following situation. This would be wave A to the upside, probably done here at 34, let's say 34.20. Then the B wave to the downside done here. Now we should look for the C wave to the upside, and don't be surprised if the C wave goes and breaks these highs here. I wouldn't be surprised if something like this happens. So it will be A, B, then C, then D, then E, and then to move lower. What I'm trying to say is that this area here is an area to be sold, and I wouldn't risk anymore to buy from the lows here. I to buy, let's say, call option from the lows. But for today, as this is Friday, and Draghi was extremely bearish and invited basically everyone to go on the short side, and trading is not that easy to go and sell when somebody is telling you to sell. Well, I would like to buy call options with end of day expiration right here, right now, and put options when the market goes above 134.30. We have a chance today to see above 134. So if it ends in the middle, then both our options will expire in the money. So let's write here on the screen. Buying call options with end of day expiration date right here, and also looking to buy put options with end of day expiration date. By the time price goes, let's say 1.3425 30 area. Thank you for being here. FairBinaryOptions.com. Just took a look at what this Euro US dollar is up to. Let's see if the market will confirm our scenario. Bye bye.